Have you ever wondered why everything falls to the ground, or why we aren't floating around? The answer is gravity. It is an invisible force that pulls objects towards each other. Earth's gravity is what keeps you on the ground and what makes things fall. Experiment how gravity works by creating a maze run for your marble. Please be careful and have supervision when working with small objects. Step 1. Make a maze with Lego. With your tinfoil, make a marble. Step 2. Place the marble at the start of the maze and tilt the base placed to move the marble through the maze. Use a plate or piece of cardboard to create a marble run. Glue or use sticky tack to keep your Lego on the back of the plate or hard backing of choice.